information about this flight's emergency procedures, have a look at the safety card. And if you're sitting in an exit row, please pay special attention to the exit operation. Thanks so much for listening, and for all of us at Zurich, we wish you a magical flight. Zurich, discover yourself.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pushing back now. Can we ask you all now to turn to your feet? Fasten your seatbelts securely. Crew need to see the buckle. Windows need to be clear. Any foot or leg rest put away. And any in-arm TV screen needs to be put away now. Ladies and gentlemen, just to make you aware, we do have a passenger on board today with us with peanut allergies, so we do ask that if you have any nut-based products, if you can refrain from opening these during the flight today. Thank you.
Noisy for a new aircraft.
What?
Noisy for a new aircraft. The infrastructure shaking.
Yeah, it's Boeing's new one.
Yeah, it's nice one. About 10 years ago it was more just about spotting.
But no, I recommend genuinely if you get a license, EVO for yourself, then you have the interest. pilot? You should do
Well, I don't know. I think I mean, it's one of those where if I'm going to do it, I might as well start doing stuff with it now.
it. Yeah.
But I spoke to a pilot in Tenerife
What
who
did he
flew us down there, Jet 2, and he said glider lessons are the way forward. Yeah, starting with gliders and then PPL. That's what he recommended. So it was an interesting one.
There's just one at the very front on the left hand side. 2 wave boarded left and right side. 2 just in front of row. Actually there's 3 just in front of row 32 left and right side. And 2 right at the very back left and right side. Could we ask that you do not cross over the passengers? All items sold on board are subject to availability. Mission of the occupation for age duty free, including cosmetics, fragrances, jewellery. We can also offer you duty free certain spirits and cigarettes on this flight.
Channel. So that's not bad. It took us 25 minutes from Manchester to get to South Coast, United Kingdom, and get to 41,000 feet. So those of you not flown on one of our Dreamliners before, it wasn't rostered to do this flight today. I think I had a technical problem with the 767, which was going to do this flight, and myself and Teddy and the rest of the crew got called out to operate this aeroplane. So it's a much more modern aeroplane. It's a replacement for our 767. We've only got 2 of those left. That was our old long-haul aeroplane there. They'll shortly be leaving our fleet, and our long-haul fleet will all be these Boeing 787 Dreamliners. It is a lovely aircraft, and I'm sure you'll appreciate, if you've flown with us before and not on this aeroplane, just how much more modern it is than the older one it's replacing. So it doesn't normally do much short haul, it's only this time of the year in the summer, but as I said, it's replacing a broken aeroplane at the moment, so you get the benefit of that. So lovely seats, great windows and the PM and all that kind of thing. In-flight entertainment, I think there's been a few problems with the IFE on this aeroplane, so you might or you might not have IFE. It's not something we'd normally do on short haul anyway. But if you've got it, I hope you enjoy it. So our routing then, it's taken us over central France, as we down on the left-hand side, and we head all the way through central France, passing Lyon and on the way towards Toulouse. Then over the Pyrenees, on the south of France, over the border with Spain. Over the top of the little area of Andorra. From there, heading out towards the coast. Barcelona will be on the right, Girona on our left, and then we're going to coast down over the Mediterranean, making our way towards the Balearic Islands. For those of you not been there before, Palma de Mallorca is the big one, and then we'll be heading slightly left of that to Menorca, which is our destination today. Just picked up the latest weather report for our destination. It's a lovely day in the offing, very light winds at the moment, hardly any breath of wind to speak of. Good visibility, a thin layer of cloud at 3,000 feet, lots of gaps between the clouds. It's already 26 degrees Celsius, so I'd imagine in a few hours' time, certainly by midday, it's going to be up by 30 degrees, I would think. We're making quite good progress, and we weren't delayed. I'll speak to you more about that in a second. At the moment, it looks like we're going to land if there's no delay getting into Menorca, and then lifted, so we had no delay then. So that meant that we could just get underway. So that was the reason for the extra 15-20 minutes where you were probably wondering why we weren't moving. So I do apologise once again. As I said, these things are out of our hands at the moment. We're in the beck and call of Manchester Airport and the various delays at 22 hours, about 20 minutes from now. But one final request, we've got a Mr. Richard Bethany on board. He's 42A, his birthday today. So many happy returns from all of you to him, and from Sarah and Matthew to the family. Hope you all have a great one.
under the seat, the overhead compartment. Any lost property that we find will be handed to the team here in Mahon Airport. It does not go back to the UK. So can I just suggest that every day someone's already left something at security in Manchester, just check you've got everything with you. Every day we find wallets, passports, jumpers, cardigans, phones and iPads, so just check you've got everything with you before you leave. If the crew find anything, we'll do a rigorous check. It will go off the aircraft, it will go to the agent here in Minorca Airport, where you will have to reclaim it. If you're given additional seatbelts, infant life jacket, please leave these on your seat. Anyone else for assistance, please remain seated until there's passengers seatbelt, or we'll be able to assist you. Have your passports ready for the immigration authorities, and as a reminder, smoking is not allowed. This doesn't include electronic cigarettes. If you're on holiday with TUI or First Choice, the TUI team will be in arrival hall to welcome you on the next part of your journey. Once the airplane stops, cabin crew will be taking a couple of moments to focus on their safety duties. We hope you enjoyed your flight with us. It's much really enjoyed having you on board. Have a fantastic holiday here in Minorca, and we look forward to seeing you on your return flight home. Thank you for flying with TUI, and a very good morning to you all.
Cabin crew, disarm sides.
Jordan,
Right
Yeah,
here.
just pop it down there.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, how you doing?
Yeah, wow.
Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, I wasn't expecting this today. I was expecting
Driving
a
it.
7.6.
Yeah, what's your head? Yeah, it's broken apparently.
You alright if I
Yeah, of course.
Oh shit.
Wow.
What,
Broken,
what was the
7.6.
reason? What was the reason? Because
For what? It's been broken.
yeah,
No idea.
I know the
Don't
engine.
fly it, no idea.
The engine went the other a few weeks ago on it. Don't know. Wow.
Not my fleet, no idea.
Yeah, it's a beautiful plane. It's the first time I've flown it.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
It's very nice. Those windows are very impressive.
Yeah, tell us about it.
Yeah.
It's very hot.
Yeah. Oh wow. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a nice plane.
I'll give this to the man outside.
Thank you. What's your name? Sam.
Sam, nice to meet you, Sam. I'm Teddy.
All right. Okay, nice to meet you, Teddy.
Are you an aspiring pilot?
Well, I
outside,
do this quite a lot. I fly around, go on little day trips. I'm only here for about a day, and I fly back tomorrow
Okay.
with Tui on the 737.
Right. Are you some sort of YouTuber?
Just like filming the stuff. Sometimes
Nice.
put it on Facebook and stuff like that. Yeah, it's nice.
Nice. Well, feel free to ask questions.
Yeah, I will. How do those windows work exactly? Because
What, those there?
yeah,
So they're a photochromatic material, which means
Right.
they're sensitive to a certain stimuli,
yeah.
and that stimuli is electrical current.
All right.
So the more electrical current, they pass through it, the darker it turns, basically.
Right, I
That's
see.
all it is.
Yeah.
As you know, this aircraft's incredibly electric
Yeah.
driven and electronically controlled.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of little things like that sort of
Yeah.
run around the aircraft.
Yeah. Beautiful plane. It really
Yeah.
is. I've flown the 350.
Yeah.
350. I'd
This
say
is
this
better
is.
than the 350.
Yeah, it is. I'd say.
Basically, at the core of it, the fuel burn and the economy of the 350 might be better.
Yeah.
But the real difference you get with this thing,
Yeah.
so they rewrote the architecture for all the systems.
Oh yeah.
And not necessarily because there's leftovers from the 777, for example.
Yes, yes.
Right? Just naturally, because if you can fly this, you can fly the 777.
Yeah,
They're common
yeah.
typewriters. The 350, for example, if they take a system like all these screens, for example,
Yeah. Yeah.
and the hydraulics of fuel, they will be run on separate sort of computers, if that makes
Right.
sense. So there'll be a computer managing the fuel.
Yes.
There'll be a computer managing the displays, etc. But on
Yeah.
this one, we have a common core system.
Yes.
So everything runs through the same system.
All right,
So it's
okay.
maintenance really easy. It saves weight.
Yeah.
So there's 8 computers on each side
Yeah.
that run everything. So the level of redundancy amongst all of this is huge.
Yeah.
Massive level of redundancy.
Amazing. Yeah.
So yeah, Pete flew it in. I'm flying it back, which means I set up everything in flight deck.
Yeah. What happened before? You changed runway last minute, did they?
We changed, we couldn't land the other way because of the tailwind.
Oh right. Okay. I
Naturally,
see.
it's not, 7.3 wouldn't have a problem, but we're a little
No.
bit bigger than the 7.3.
Oh yeah.
So the 80s had a 6-knot tailwind,
Yeah.
and by the time we got to there, landing runway 19,
Yes.
it was about a 10-knot tailwind, which it wouldn't be great. You look at our landing performance. Oh, it's reset. Hang on. Yeah, it's reset the performance here. But we were right on the edge of what we could do landing this way, so we had to
Yeah.
land into wind this way.
Right. Yeah.
So what I'm doing here is I'm programming the route computer for the way back. So we're going from Mahon to Manchester.
Yeah.
That's our call sign, Tomjet 9 Alpha Bravo.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt. The last bus.
Oh,
Sorry,
thanks to me, Teddy.
No worries,
Thank
mate.
you.
All the
Cheers.
best, mate. Cheers.
Thanks. Cheers for your time.
It is there. Don't rush.
All right. Thanks. Thank you for that. Thank you. Cheers. Oh God, no, we'll be out with me. Thank you.
That's the place the one that was built on. That's why all the seats and shit. And the one that was built on was the house. But it was built down. Get a shot.
There's 2 carousels for Manchester.
And then